This is major. I'm going to show you exactly how to create a short so quickly. Now, YouTube has introduced YouTube Short, which is a new way to create and watch on YouTube. If you look at this video, for example, it's less than 60 seconds, literally explaining how a bullet goes through an object, and the video in a month has actually got almost 400,000 views. If you look at the channel statistics, you will see that the video started as nothing, but then started racking up views and brought 1,000 subscribers to the channel. $33 just for a 60 or 58 seconds video. Now, what is a short? YouTube is actually pushing what we call short because there is a high competition from TikTok and also a high competition from Reels, Instagram. So YouTube is introducing a TikTok alternative to YouTube. If you look at my phone, this is my phone right here. This is my YouTube homepage. Okay, if I scroll down, if you scroll, YouTube is pushing short so bad that if you scroll down now here, you will see short videos, and these are like from 10 seconds to 58 seconds video that you can simply tap and start watching. You see 35,000 likes. You see, and then you can scroll up. It's exactly like TikTok. You just scroll up and you start watching video. YouTube Short is still in the beta version, and it's only available currently to the Indian creators. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to get that if you are outside India. It has to be less than 60 seconds. You have to include short in the title or the description. If you are, for example, in India, this is how you proceed. You sign in to YouTube on mobile, and you'll be able to tap on create. You tap on create short. So literally, when it will be available to you on that plus button up here, when you will tap on that, you will see now create a short. You'll be able to just create a short and use your camera. Again, the short has a specific dimension. You see, when I tap on it, it has it's a vertical video, just like you see on TikTok here with Charlie, or just like you see here, or just like you see here with Reels. Those are 9:16 ratio. Now, how do you create a short and start racking up views and subscribers? Again, this is major because YouTube is pushing that so much that it doesn't matter whether you are a small creator or a big creator, YouTube will push your video. I promise you. I just refresh my screen and I scroll down again. What do I see? Short video. YouTube is massively pushing people to use this feature, and it doesn't matter, like I said, whether you are a small creator with 0 subscribers or a creator with 4 million subscribers. Your video can easily appear on the homepage of everybody. So how do you create a short? Simple. You can create that on mobile, or you can create that on desktop. Now, on mobile, for example, you need to upload a video right now. If you're outside India, then you will not see create a short. On mobile, you need to upload a video. But then before uploading, I want you to edit your video in a vertical form. So if you have an app like Wonder Video, I want you to open that. For example, this is a quick video that I imported in this app called Wondershare. How do I transform that into vertical? Basically, you come here under ratio right here, you tap on ratio, and then this is original, but you switch now to 9:6, this one right here. So I switch to 9:6. This is now the vertical form. You see how it took the vertical form, and then you validate, and then literally you click on save. That you select the form normal, that will be saved on your phone, and you'll be able to upload that on YouTube. When you come on YouTube and you tap on upload a video, what I want you to do is that I want you to tap the title, for example, but then you need to put the hashtag short in the title. When you put the hashtag short in the title, the algorithm will pick up your video and then put that in the short that you see. But I also want you to put short in the description right here. So you tap the description, whatever this video is about, blah blah blah, and then you tap a hashtag also short. That will pick up your video. You just go back and then you click. When you tap on next, that will pick up your video. Now, for creators that like me that usually create long form videos, what does that mean? Well, on my case, for example, I decided that I'm going to create a separate channel, which I just created, called Freetrepreneur Tutorials, where I will only post 59-second video or 50 seconds video, because I don't want to post 50 seconds video in my other videos that are like 10 minutes or 20 minutes or an hour. I just don't feel like I want to do it. That it depends on you. If you feel like your audience is comfortable with just providing 30 seconds or 50 seconds short on your channel, then that's fine. But I prefer to do that on a separate channel. How do you create short on a desktop? So I'm just going to open my app here, Camtasia. How do you create short on desktop? This is a short that I have. This is a video that I imported here. If your video is not vertical, you need to find a way on your editing software. This is normally how it is like when you edit video for YouTube. Now, how do you, when you import your video that you've filmed yourself, or you're trying to repurpose another person's video, how do you transform that into a vertical? So you come here back on File, you click on Project Settings, and then you come down here on Custom, and then you change back that from to 1080 and then 1920, and then you click on Apply. This is what your short will be like. And then understand that sometimes it might be like this. You just need to resize it to fit the vertical. Okay, in my case, I just need to right click and then scale to fit. That will fit the whole thing. So it depends. And then when you're done, you click on share, you export the file, and then you import that on YouTube, exactly doing what I showed you, putting short in the title and short in the description. That will be picked up by YouTube and put in this section. Now imagine billions of people. YouTube has more than 2 billion viewers. Okay, now imagine billions of people scroll through their home feed and then just tap and start watching your 30 seconds video, short video, and then they go to your channel and they subscribe. You understand that this is a game changer, and the fact that YouTube is actually trying to push that should be a sign that you need to hop over the trend right now before it start becoming saturated. This is what I wanted to show you. If you think this is helpful, please smash the like button, subscribe, check out other videos on my channel. Until next time, take care. Peace.